Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open Settings and tap your Apple ID to view iCloud storage usage. Tap iCloud, then Manage Storage to see exact numbers and app usage. The free tier provides 5 GB and often fills quickly with photos and backups. Check the last backup date and which device is listed under iCloud Backup. Note any failed backups and the specific error message shown on screen. These steps establish whether storage or device settings cause backup failures. If storage is full, delete old device backups to free space immediately. Go to Manage Storage, choose a backup, and delete it if not needed. Consider upgrading to 50 GB for /bin/sh, 99/month when 5 GB is insufficient for your needs. Enable iCloud Photos and choose Optimize iPhone Storage to reduce photo size on device. Offload unused apps to preserve app data while freeing storage. These actions let the next backup complete successfully without error messages. If problems persist, turn off iCloud Backup, restart the device, and turn backup on again. Connect the device to reliable Wi-Fi and plug into power before starting a manual backup. From iCloud Backup settings, tap Backup Now to force an immediate upload. If backup still fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh iCloud authentication. Rebooting and re-authenticating resolves most sync and upload token errors for iCloud backups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.